Hi, I'm Yuri from Capital Appliance Repair, Ottawa. If there is one thing I know a lot about, it's washers. Today I'll be sharing a few tips that will keep your washer in tip-top shape. Use the right amount of detergent. Too much soap can cause the laundry machine to overflow and can cause a huge mess. Don't overload. Too much clothing in a load may prevent your clothes from being cleaned properly. Also, this strains your machine as it needs to work harder. Check the level. Ensure that your washer is on level ground. If it's uneven, it can shake violently, which will wear down your machine. Check your washer every month to make sure it hasn't been moved. Keep it clean. Make sure to wipe down the machine periodically. And then to ensure that it doesn't clog up and your clothes always come out smelling fresh. Check the water hoses. The hoses that come with your washer should last for quite a while, but you should still check for wear and tear every few months. Many experts recommend changing them every 5 years. Check filters. Most washers have filters. Check the manual first. This should be checked and cleaned periodically. After the end of the cycle, leave the door open. By following these tips, your washer will be work efficiently for many years. Our team at Capital Appliance Repair offers same-day services in Ottawa and surrounding areas, and they can help with any issue you may be experiencing with your washer. We offer a limited warranty with most of our repair, and our services are both affordable and trusted. Our technicians also speak French. Donc n'hésitez pas à nous contacter aujourd'hui. Merci.